You're looking at a John R. Hollingsworth MEP0051 diesel generator power plant. It includes two MEP-005A 30 kilowatt diesel generators mounted on the trailer. One was manufactured in 1979 with 551 hours listed, and the other was made in 1980 with 384 hours. The running condition is unknown. See website for further information. Liquidity Services provides buyers and sellers with the world's most transparent and innovative online marketplaces for surplus assets. We add new inventory weekly with merchandise from government agencies, corporate clients, and commercial businesses. Thank you for visiting Liquidity Services.